The WURESE Carpet Cleaner is equipped with a powerful 15 kilopascal suction and a robust 500-watt motor, making it highly effective in dealing with various household cleaning tasks. Its dual water tank system, featuring 54-ounce and 42-ounce capacities, allows for easy filling, draining, and cleaning, ensuring efficient operation. This versatile cleaner comes with 3 specialized tools, including a wide path tool and a tough stain tool, catering to different cleaning needs across multiple surfaces. With a long 5.5-foot hose and a 16.4-foot power cord, this lightweight and portable machine is easy to maneuver around the home. Designed for multi-surface deep cleaning, it is suitable for carpets, sofas, stairs, and even car interiors, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution. The self-cleaning function of this machine ensures the maintenance is hassle-free, keeping the device in optimal condition for extended use.